batch, I'ma light the fuse. Got things to do, you know we've been making moves. We put the fire in the work, cause we bring the boom. Gotta show them who it is, gonna raise the roof. Yeah, we gonna make some noise, ain't no doubt about it. Come on, tell them, raise your voice, hear the trumpet sounding. If you feel what I feel, then you better shout it. Hands up to the ceiling, cause it's gonna get loud. You know we're gonna get loud. I said we're gonna get loud. You know we're gonna get loud. It's time to get loud. You know we're gonna get loud. Going up, never coming down. They wanna run it back for another round. We bringing that storm with the thundercloud. Hands up in the air with the whole crowd. Hands up in the air with the whole crowd. Hands up in the air with the whole crowd. You know we're gonna get loud. You know we're gonna get loud. I said we're gonna get loud. You know we're gonna get loud. You know we're gonna get loud. It's time to get loud. You hear me now? Yeah, you know we're gonna get loud.
Para sa aking minamahal, Mi, Erica, sa loob ng 18 years nating pagsasama, sa araw na ito, sa harap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, nais kong ipahayag sa iyo ang aking walang hanggang pagmamahal sa iyo.
Hindi ko siya pinagdasal, pero siya yung binigay sa akin ni Lord at niregalo. So, alam ko na talaga siya yung nakalaan para sa akin.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're mine, reality. You're mine, sunshine, you're mine, best times, you're mine,
Yon!
anomaly. And I'd
Mi, thank you sa lahat. Sa pag-intindi mo.
in a
Sa lahat. I love you. Huwag kang iiyak, ha? Alam mo naman. Wow! Patay na patay ka pa sa akin. I love you. Wow, ha? Wow!
I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day
Ikaw at ating mga anak, ang aking inspirasyon sa aking kaibigan, aking kabiyak.
every breath you
Pinapangako kong aalagaan ko kayo sa lahat ng panahon, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa sakit at sa kalusugan. Kasama ko kayo sa pagtupad ng ating mga pangarap, pagharap sa pagsubok. Pinapangako kong magtutulungan tayo at respetuhin ang isa't isa sa anumang pagkakataon.
This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees.
Daddy, happy birthday! A memorable day to us. Be blessed. Be blessed na tayo finally ni Lord. I love you and thank you for your life. See you. Huwag kang iiyak. Ako lang ito.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
For the rest of our lives, with all that we have, we do, and we will when the sky.
Daddy, thank you and happy birthday. Ito na yung araw na nilaan para sa atin. So, sana mas lalo pa tayong i-bless ni Lord. Kasi alam ko, ito na lang yung kulang sa pagsasama natin. Mahigit 18 years. So, thankful ako na meron akong katulad mo. Kaya sana magtagal at mas patibayin pa tayo ni Lord. I love you, Daddy!
You.
Erika, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makais ng dibdib si Benjo na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Benjo, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makais ng dibdib si Erika na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my
Ipagmamalaki at ipagdiriwang natin ang ating mga tagumpay at pananatili akong tapat, mapagmahal at mapagpasensya. Higit sa lahat, pinapangako kong mamahalin ko kayo at ang ating pamilya ngayon at magpakailanman.
And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you
Ang panalangin natin sa kanila, nawa manatili silang tapat sa isa't isa hanggang sa wakas ng kanilang buhay.
every moment and every breath you take. I choose you.